if I told you millions of Americans are earning 5% interest, completely risk-free, while your bank pays you almost nothing? And the crazy part? This has been legal, safe, and available, yet nobody talks about it. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account right now, you're quietly losing money every single day. Not in stocks, not in crypto, but in your bank account. Today, I'll show you how smart Americans are earning around 5% risk-free and why your bank hopes you never find out. The problem. 30 shout to section to 130 min. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Most big US banks pay around 0.01% interest. That means if you have $10,000 saved, you earn about $1 per year. At the same time, inflation keeps rising. So even though your balance looks the same, your money is worth less every year. That's not saving. That's slowly falling behind. Here's what many Americans don't realize. There are high-yield savings accounts paying 4% to 5% APY, with zero market risk. FDIC insured, backed by US regulations, no investing required, no lock-in period. So how is this possible? Online banks don't have physical branches, thousands of employees per location, massive overhead costs. So instead of spending money on buildings, they pay you higher interest. Let's make this painfully clear. If you keep $20,000 in a regular bank, you earn about $2 per year. In a 5% high-yield savings account, you earn around $1,000 per year. Same money, same safety, very different result. And yes, your money is protected up to $250,000 by the FDIC. Common mistakes. Here's where most Americans mess this up. Leaving emergency funds in low-interest accounts, thinking 5% isn't worth switching, assuming higher interest means higher risk. This isn't about getting rich fast. It's about not getting poorer slowly. Why banks don't tell you. Big banks make billions when customers don't move money, don't ask questions, stay comfortable. Your ignorance is their profit. If your money is sitting in a regular savings account, you're playing the game and losing. The smartest move isn't risky. It's informed.